How to set up conversion tracking on Google Ads. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set up conversion tracking on your Google Ads. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Google Ads account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing for you to do is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on Goals. Goals is located below campaigns and above tools. So once you selected goals, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the conversion goals page. On this page, click on new conversion action, and then you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to start tracking conversions, and then you have to select the kind of conversions you want to track. You want to track your website, have phone calls, or import data from Google Analytics or another source. Just select the one you want. And then once you selected the one you want, for me, I selected the website. You'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to add conversion action. So yeah, you have to paste your website domain if it's for website. You have to paste your website domain, yeah. And then to scan, and then once it has been verified, click on save and continue. And then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked where you get instruction and then finish up your conversion tracking. So just follow through. Input the website domain and then you would be able to continue. And then the other method, which is by selecting through apps, just click on it. Once you click on it, and options will be displayed at the lower part of the screen, asking you to select how to track your app conversion. So do you want it to be for Google Analytics? Do you want it to be for Google Play? Do you want it to be for third-party analytics? Once you're done selecting, click continue, and then you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to import app conversion event. So follow the instructions here and then you'll be able to import and continue. The same thing applies for other options located on the screen, which include for phone calls and for import data from Google Analytics. Just select the one you want, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to set up conversion tracking on your Google Ads account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.